Okay, I don't have the best hair, whatever, but I need to explain what we're doing today, Friday, January 29th, with our portfolios. What you will do is you can go to your portfolio. So if you open up a new tab and you go to sites and you open up the sites there, you will see that your portfolio should be down here. Okay, so if you're a 7th grader, you open your portfolio, and today you're going to work on 2 of your tabs, and one of them is All About Me and the other one is Learner Profile. So if you click on your All About Me, okay, what you can do is go to that page. Actually, you can stay right here and you can use the insert tab here to insert whichever layout you like here, right? I think this one is the simplest one for all of us, but if you want to be creative with your website, that's fine. You can pick this one or this one with 2 pictures or this one, whatever you like. This is for you to play around. For sake of showing you guys an example, you click on that, and if you want to add a picture, you can upload a picture of your family here if you have one. If you don't, you can then, I urge you to upload a picture of yourself and your family. So play around with how you can do that. Basically, before you can upload, you need to take a photo and save it onto your Google Drive, and then you can upload it here. You can also use the camera on your Chromebook and take a quick picture of your profile and put it in there. And if then once you upload your photo, say a little something about yourself. So if you click on this text box here, the first one is the box that says click to edit text. So you want to click in there and put something like All About Me. If you can think of a better title for that, that's fine. And then you click in this box here and you say, my name is blah, blah, blah. Welcome to my website. I enjoy doing blah, 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 and blah, 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 and say a little something about you. So the person who visits your page kind of knows you. If you like playing games, if you like doing, different hobbies, if you like sports, put that in there. Tell the reader a little bit about yourself, okay? Make sure you pay attention to your spelling and spell check it. And that would be all you do for your All About Me. Then what you want to do is click this publish. Every time you do something on your pages in here, you must follow it with a publish, and then you will, again, it's going to show you the draft and it's going to show you what it's going to look like, and then you say publish again. Okay, if you forget to do that, then it's not showing me or anyone else that sees the website the updated version that you've done. It only shows us the older version. So don't forget to click that publish. Even if you don't do anything with it, click publish every time you go in there. And then let's say you want to look at it and see what it looks like. You can do a preview here, which is this button right here. If you click on it, it shows you a preview of what it looks like on the actual website when people go and see it. And then let's say you want to change something, you don't like it, you can go back to the edit mode by Xing out here, and it goes back to the edit mode. Again, if you make changes, don't forget to press publish. It's almost like pressing save all the time. It's saving it for you, saving all the changes you made, okay? Again, you can preview it by clicking here. You can go back to your page by Xing out. I hope that helps.